Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, we now move to part 7. Yeah, in this part we will learn about flowchart and smart art. So, the first one we will learn about flowchart. So, what is a flowchart? Flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. A flowchart can also be defined as a diagrammatic representation of an logarithm, a step-by-step approach to solving a task. And the flowchart shows the step as a process of various kinds, and they're ordered by connecting the boxes with the arrows. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, it starts with the some boxes or some shapes, and then it connected with lines, yeah, connected with the lines uh, to another shapes, and always connected with the lines or the arrows. Yeah, why you have to study flowchart here? Because in the next courses, in the next subject, um, maybe at the year 3, yeah, when you move to the third year, you will find courses named uh, informa- informa- information system, yeah, system information of accounting, yeah, something like that, that uh, consists of uh, like a flow of process of accounting, like accounting process in uh, in like business, yeah, like in industries or in hospitals. So you have to make like a process of accounting and that field. So to make it easy, you have to do a flowchart. Yeah, so you have to understand how to make it. This is the easiest way to make a flowchart. There are many kind of system that available for you to make a process like flowchart. So I will give you the basic, and after you understand the basic, so you can do by yourself to do the flowchart, yeah, using a system. So in this uh, in this practicum, I will show you a simple process of um, in the cashier. Yeah, so this is a very simple flow, where this flowchart is the flow usually used when making transaction at the cashier. So it usually start with the start, and then the cashier will be get the money. Yeah, the cashier will be get the money, and the cashier will give the receipt. So the receipt will be described in here. There are two kind of receipt. So if you go to the mart, yeah, at uh, Indomart or Alfamart, there are two kind of receipt. Yeah, at the first receipt, it will give to the customer, and the second receipt will be uh, saved. Yeah, it will be saved by the cashier. Yeah, so this is the process. So the cashier will be get the money and give the receipt, and there are two kind of receipt. The first is for the customer, and the second one it will be saved by cashier. Yeah, will be kept by the cashier. So what to make this a flowchart, to make this a simple flowchart, what should you do? The first one, you have to open a new blank document. So please open a new blank document here. Yeah, and then maybe uh, you have to put the information of your task here. Your for your first task is flowchart. Yeah, for your first task is flowchart. Yeah, and then we have to make this kind of flowchart. Yeah, the first one, we have to make a start curve. Yeah, so how to make this curve? You have to need click insert. Yeah, you have to need click insert, and then in this part, in this illustrations box, there are shapes. Yeah, just click the shapes, and then in the shapes there are flowchart box. Yeah, flowchart box here. So to add the first shape, we just need these shapes. It called terminator. Yeah, so we just need to click this one. Yeah, you just need to click terminator, click, and then you have to click and then drag. Yeah, here. So you already make the first shape in the flowchart, and then to put text inside the shape. So the things that you need to do is just type it. Yeah, after you make sure that the shape is active. Yeah, this is not active, the shape is not active. So to make sure that the shape is active, you just need to click this shape, and after you click, there are box. Yeah, there are box like this. It means that the shape is active. Yeah, so how to put text inside the shape is just need to type it. Yeah, start, something like that, start. And then we will move to the next uh, shapes. Yeah, for the next shapes is we just need to click insert again, and then we click shape, and then we move to the flowchart here, and we choose this one. Yeah, manual operations. We click the manual operation, click, and then click and drag. Yeah, and then we just need to type inside the box. Yeah, what they said. Okay, so we can say the cashier receive money, uh, and okay, okay, maybe we can give this information. The cashier receive the money and give a receipt. Yeah, the second one is the cashier receive the money and gives a receipt. Yeah, and the second one is we have to make the receipt. Yeah, we have to make the receipt. There are two receipts here, first and second. Yeah, in the receipt 1 and receipt 2. So how to make that receipt? We just need to click insert and then click shapes, and then this one. There are two kind of document here. Yeah, to make a receipt we just need to choose this kind of documents. If this one, we can use if we have many of documents. Yeah, if we have many of documents, we can use a multiple. We can use a multi document. But if you need maybe one or two documents, so you just need this one. Yeah, you just need to take a document. So what should you do is, let me repeat again, you just need to click insert and then click shapes, and then you choose a document, this one. Yeah, this one, click this one and then put in the right one. Yeah, put in the right. This is for the second document, and we will make the first document, sorry, and the first receipt. We will do the same thing. Yeah, click insert, click insert and then click shapes, and then we choose document as well. Yeah, and then we put the first receipt in front of the second receipt, like this. Yeah, okay, so we already made a two receipt, and this one is the first receipt. So what should you do is to click one, to type one, and then after you type one you just need to enter it, and then we have to give information about the document, what is the document. Yeah, what the document is. Yeah, so we will give information that the document is a receipt, so we have to type a receipt here. Yeah, this is the first receipt and this is the second receipt. Yeah, after you make this information, I want to show you that number one, yeah, the number one and number two, it placed in the corner of the receipt. Yeah, so how to make it is, you have to need to block the number. Yeah, you have to need to block the number, and then after you block the number you need to click home. Yeah, and you just need to put it in the line right. Yeah, so there are many line. If you see the number one in center, yeah, but we want to make it in the corner, so we have to put in the line right. Yeah, so we just need to click line right and the number will be at the corner. Yeah, it's same with the number two. Yeah, in the receipt two we just need to type 2 in here, and then we block the number and click home and click line right, so the number uh, it will move in the corner. Yeah, After that, you have to remember that the first receipt will be give to a customer, and the second receipt will be saved by it will be kept by cashier. Yeah. So what should we do? So we have to know what shape that we need. The first shape is the, I think it's same with the start. Yeah, so we have to put the terminators, and for the second receipt we just need the triangle. So maybe we can make the first receipt first. Yeah, so we just need to click insert and then click shapes, insert and shapes, and then we choose terminator. Yeah, we choose terminator here, click, and then we put in here, and then we have to insert text inside the shapes. The name is customer. Yeah, customer. And the next one, we have to put triangle in here. So we have to click insert and then shapes, and then move to the flowchart again, and then we choose the flowchart merge. Yeah, it called merge. Click merge, this one, and then we just type it with S. It means save. Yeah, and then we already make the shape. We just need to uh, insert lines. Yeah, to connecting between boxes. Yeah, we call it is a boxes. So the first one, we have to connect it between start and the cashier, and the cashier and the receipt, and the receipt with a customer and a shipping. Customer and yeah, ship. So how to make the lines? So it's same with uh before. Yeah, we just need to click insert and then click shapes, and then lines. There are many of lines here, so we just need to put the first lines. Yeah, just click this line, and then we will connecting between start and cashier like this. And the second line, yeah, and we will uh, connecting this shape with the receipt. So with the same way, with the same path, like insert shapes, lines. Yeah, insert shape, lines, and we choose the first line, click, and then we just need one line here. Yeah, and after we made one line here, we have to connecting a receipt and customer and the second receipt with this triangle. So it's same, insert shape and the line as well, and we put the line in here. Yeah, this is for the first receipt, and we do the same with the second receipt. Yeah, insert shape and the line and put in here. Yeah, Okay, so the flowchart already done. Yeah, and if you want to make the line getting thicker, yeah, so you just need to click the line, yeah, and then after you click the line, the drawing tool already on, you just need to click the format. Yeah, you just need to click the format, and then you choose a shape outline. Yeah, you just choose the shape outline, and we just need to add the weight. Maybe we choose the 2 1/4. Yeah, a 2 1/4. Click, and the line become thicker, and we will do the same thing with the another lines. Yeah, with this line, click format and then shape outline, and we choose weight, and we choose 2 1/4 as well, and this is the same format, shape outline, weight, 2 1/4, and then this format, shape outline, weight, and 2 1/4. So it's more thicker than before. And as you can see that if I move this shape, yeah, another shape will not move as well. So I want to make it uh, become a group. Yeah, I want to make it a group. So how to make it a group? Yeah, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to um, click shift in your keyboard. Yeah, click shift in your keyboard and hold it. Yeah, hold it. While you hold the shift, you can click all the shape here and the lines. Yeah, so you still click the shift and hold, and click one by one. Yeah, and okay, and don't forget to wait for a minute. Okay, don't forget to spare one. Yeah, so you click all of these shapes and lines. Yeah, and spare one. Yeah, spare one, and after you click almost all except the customer. Yeah, and the last thing that you have to do is don't forget to keep a hold the shift. Yeah, don't forget to keep hold the shift in your keyboard, and then uh click right. Yeah, right click on the right on your mouse. Yeah, and then after you click the right of the mouse, there are group here, and then you just need to click group, and your flowchart become one group. So if you want to move your shape, if you want to move the flowchart, yeah, all the flowchart will be moved as well. Yeah, so you have to, what you have to do is just, Yeah, first make grouping in flowchart. Yeah, first one, you have to click save on your click and hold. Yeah, keyboard. Yeah, and then while you hold save, click all of the shape and lines, but you have to spare one shape. Maybe yeah, customer shape. Yeah, while you hold save, click all the shape and lines, but you have to spare one shape, maybe customer shape. And then after you spare one, after that add customer shape, while you hold save. Save. Click using right click and choose group and click grouping. To make sure, okay, click, 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 to make sure that your work is success. Please try to move the flowchart. Yeah, like this. Yeah, move like this. Okay, if there's no shape or lines that left, it means your flowchart is success, your grouping is success. Okay.